Hello guys, it's your boy Anomaly from Sweden, and in today's video I am going to open a knife. Basically, the video ends when I get a knife. So, I've prepared a lot of cases. What we have here is 200 fracture cases, 67 clutch cases, 19 revolver cases, and 14 gamma cases. And that's what we're gonna start with. I don't think we're gonna get a knife in these cases, but hopefully eventually we're going to get a knife. Very nice. But before the case opening, I want to thank today's sponsor, which is DMARKET. Now, if you don't know what DMARKET is, it's a CSGO trading and marketplace website where you can buy, sell, and trade your skins safely for real money. Right now, they have a limited offer with only 3% in sales fees. All you need to do is scan your inventory for eligible items, and as you can see, there's a whole lot of different eligible items where the sales fee is only 3%. And on some special skins, like the Anubis collection, they have only a 1% sales fee, which is insane. And of course, you can buy, sell, and trade your skins as usual, and they have an auto-select feature for their trades, which is very nice if you want to change up your loadout but you're not sure what you want to trade for. They also have a ton of deposit methods like credit card, crypto, Skrill, and Neteller. And of course, they also have tons of withdrawal methods such as SEPA bank transfer, Skrill, or even PayPal. So thank you DMARKET once again for sponsoring the video, and please check them out from the link in the description. And now let's get on with the case opening. Papa,
yeah,
this is very degenerate thing to do, right?
Yeah, it could be a very long or very short video. Yeah.
Yes. Let's start with the clutch cases, because I like those. First case, yeet. There we go.
Imagine you get a knife.
Yeah, then the video just boink. Well, that's not the case. It's worth noticing, clutch case, yes, you don't have a knife, you have gloves, but it's the same shit. It counts.
Yep.
I do not recommend this.
No. How many do you, like, statistic have to open?
400. I understand your broken ass ethnic English, Papa. So around 400 cases should theoretically net you one goal. The clutch case isn't like the best one, but I can get some nice gloves here. I'm pretty sure I get Vice FN. That would pay it off. Let's go ahead and do 20 fractures now, which is what my wallet is going to be after this. And since cases are so damn expensive now, this already... Oh my god, the print stream. But as I was saying, the cases are so expensive, this opening is ending up to be way more expensive. Only the cases for this is something like almost 300 euro. And thank you, Mauld. He sent a lot of these cases to me, like the gamma cases and the clutch cases. Very nice, thank you. He's from France. Unlucky, but still thank you.
Bam.
So far, we've gotten absolutely nothing. That's worth noticing.
Yeah. Whoops.
There goes the deagle, the very expensive deagle. I like that. Oh my fuck! Is this the return of Trolled by Valve? How many fucking cassettes do we have? Ah! We have 4 in a row! So we've opened almost 60 cases now. That's already quite a bit.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, bro! How is this legal? I'm Captain Neckbeard, Papa.
Yes.
Oi! Okay, that's the first actual skin we've gotten all day, Papa.
Yeah.
I bet it's gonna be really expensive. 11 euro for a factory new M4. What? Yes! Legend of Anubis! Legion! Fuck! It's not gonna be expensive. 35 euro. Oh my fucking god, Papa. That's so bad. Ugh. Let's do 19 of the revolver cases, okay? Here, if we get a knife, Papa, we have a chance to get Karambit Case Hardened, the most expensive knife in the whole game. We have a chance. Very, very small chance, but a chance. Oh, no.
Isn't any good?
It is worth... Oh, 20... What? It must have gone up a bit. I thought it was gonna be like 3 euro. Huh.
Open a knife now. How hard could it be?
Quite. Back to fracture. We've been at it already so long.
This was a stupid idea.
Very, very. Kit bash. More like fucking kid smash. No, that sounded very wrong. Please, Gaben. Just do me a solid one time. Hey! Oh, Stat Track Pink, Papa. That is quite rare. 16 euros. Okay, so we're at like 100 now. Let's do the 14 Gamma that we have. These are actually hella expensive now, Papa. These cases are literally like 1.7 euro each, so almost as much as the key.
Nice M4A1 there.
Shut up. However, I can get Karambit Emerald in here, which is absolutely insane, but I'm not gonna get it. Unless... Well, it's going great so far. I'm glad we got these gammas. And it's the same fucking Mac 10. Well, that was great from the gamma segment. Let's go for some more fractures, Papa. Parkinson's ass case, be like. Oh, this was actually one of the dumbest ideas we must have ever had.
Yeah, mine was to get kids.
Holy, what? Do you see the lag? It was generating the best knife possible. Aww. Let's do the clutch cases now, Papa. Yeah, it's not going very well. Hello? Oh, okay, that's fine. What? Did you see how many? Yeah. How many was that? Count them, Sams. What the fuck was that? Bro. Oh, that's so bad, Papa. And it's not even factory new. That's so bad. This is like €3. 2.92 euro. Oi! It doesn't even pay for the case and the case. The last one, Papa, of these 300 cases. Whoopin'! No. That means that we're out of clutch cases. It means we're out of fracture. No, we have 20 more fracture. Okay. Yeah. Entombed. Also, sadly, fully worthless, Papa. Last case, Papa, of these 300 cases. Whoopin'! I guess we're just gonna have to buy more cases.
Yeah, but you had some cases left.
No. There we go, Papa. That's 300 cases. I guess we'll just have to buy more cases and then come back and see what happens. So, yeah, hit. Hey, there we go, Papa. As you can see, I now have filled up with 200 more fracture cases. And hopefully that's gonna be enough, because then we'll damn well have opened 500 cases, which is more than you need statistically to get a knife. Whoopee!
Get the knife now.
Yeah, and it's just like, what? I just bought all the cases for no reason. No. Now, to afford these cases, both the 300 were already opened and these 200, I've sold one pair of slingshot gloves field tested, and I've also now sold an AK Vulcan factory new. Both of these are very expensive, and sadly, I had to let go of both of these for this stupid ass video. Come on. Spin, you slut. Legion of Anubis. Well worn. This is gonna be cheap now. So the factory new was €35. 29. What? That's better than nothing, but we're still down about €2,000 now. Yeah. So that's great.
A small comfort.
That's what I call my penis.
Yeah.
Hello, yeah. Bitch. You want to suckle the small comfort? Usually they pepper spray me. What? This is factory new. No minimal wear, but very good float.
How do you know it's minimal wear?
Because I see it. Look at that. Yeah, oh, because it's the number. I have autism, so I know what every number is. Yeah. €18. So how is the battle score 25? What? At least now the good skins are starting to pile up. So hopefully we're gonna end it with a knife soon.
It's never too late to give up.
That's what I think every day I wake up. Gabe Newell neckbeard case. Are you ready? Neckbeard case. Let's see, Papa. Yeah. Okay, Papa. 20 more fractures. And with these 20 opened, we will have opened exactly 400 cases, which is the amount of cases you need to open to get a knife statistically. Yeah. If we don't get a knife within those 400, afterwards, we can consider ourselves unlucky. And if it's like 800 cases, we're double unlucky, basically. Mm-hmm. I've never really understood how rare it is to get a knife.
Yeah, Mr. Red.
The last 20 of these 200. So with these opened, we will be at 500 cases opened. That's quite a lot. Surely I haven't been shadow banned from getting a knife, right? Tooth Fairy again. Stat track this time. 1469. That one is just a few points from being a knife, basically, in rarity. Unlucky. The last case of the 200 now, Papa. Oh... Yeah. Oh, so we'll be right back. We need to grab some more cases. So, we're back, and now I've sold a butterfly slaughter field tested on the market and loaded up 100 more cases. Whoopin'! This is case number 501. Oh, shit. Here we go again, Papa.
Not a great start.
No, not really a great start. But at least we can be happy, because we know we're gonna get a knife.
Yes. What's the worst knife you can get?
I'm pretty sure I can get Navaja out of this one. And if I get Navaja, it's gonna be like €60. It would be very, very sad if I get that.
And the best?
The best would be maybe like 5,000-6,000 euro. Like 6,000 euro. But that's very rare. I think this is going to make me appreciate my knives that I get like randomly way more.
Yeah. Maybe they think you have opened enough knives.
I hit the ceiling, I hit the cap. I can't open any more knives. I don't get how people get addicted to opening cases and stuff like that. I've opened now 600, I haven't gotten anything. I'm just about ready to blow up my whole room. Another Vogue. Bro, what the we've gotten so many pinks. At this point, we could do a trade up to maybe get the Deagle. It's like my account is allergic to the items that are expensive.
Yeah.
And here it is, Papa. The 600th case. Yeet. The stats are 1 knife in 400 cases. Now we've opened 1.5 times that and still no knife. So now we could consider ourselves very unlucky.
Fuck.
Okay, so now we got 100 more cases. Time to do it all over again.
Maybe we could rename the video. Opening cases until we don't get the knife.
Oh, yes! Yes, we did it! We did it! That's so bad! That's so bad! Papa, we did it. That took 603 cases, Papa. Let's go. Case hardened. Let's see what the backside looks like. This could be blue gem. Oh. So, that answered the question. Today, we were gonna open a knife. How many cases did it take? It took exactly 604 cases. The sad thing is, Papa, we spent about 2,500 euro on this.
I don't understand what you mean, we.
Papa, it's your pension. It's your pension. Now, 604 cases, okay? The cases cost 65 cents each, and the key, of course, is 2.35 times 604. That means, Papa, this paracord this paracord cost us 1,420 euro. So where the fuck did all my money go? Oh no. Do I have Steam balance left? Oh no. And let's see how much this paracord is worth, Papa, okay? Wait, the float? 31, so it's absolute shit. It's worth 310 euro. Technically, we lost around 1,150 euro, which is good. Guys, just so you know, this is why I like having sponsors on my videos. Because this video, otherwise, if I didn't have a sponsor, I'd get $14 ad revenue, and then it would get demonetized. And you see, just in a few months, I'll be living out on the streets like this man over here. Donate to homelessness. Gamba. Well, you know what I said, gentlemen. The video ends when I get a knife. I got a knife. So, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys liked that. Now, if you ever ask yourself the question, should I buy the knife or should I open cases? You should definitely open cases. Thank you for watching.
Yes.
Bye.